You look like you've been doing zero work today.
What?
You're so dirty. What are you doing?
Taking out the steps that used to be there.
Hey, you did a thing there.
Yeah. Did that. I got the front end back on it, the fenders back on it.
Looking like a truck again.
I got all the AC lines made. I already pulled a vacuum, make sure there's no leaks. Heater's hooked up. Fuel line's hooked up all the way to the back. I just gotta do this plate. Next plate from the other floor. And then really after that, it's strictly just wiring from that point.
Sounds like that takes forever.
It does. Because it's gonna want to slip out the bottom. Alright.
What just fell out?
I don't know.
It was like a bag of... I don't know what that was.
Part of the headline.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Voila!
Now the windshield.
Oof!
We're going that way?
Huh? We're gonna go straight. Okay.
Am I in the way? I don't know where we're going.
I don't know where to put it.
Should have planned this out.
Go to the top of the model.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You walk backwards.
Because he's familiar with your... Because he's familiar with your shop.
He should be. He's been here for like 10 years.
Yeah, but you have random boxes every day.
Sorry to walk around.
This thing is in really good shape. And nobody wanted it because it was a long bed.
4 doors and long beds. That's what you like.
You know what? You know why long beds are good?
What?
Because you can take your bed with you to meet up with somebody's mom.
Okay, we're editing that out.
No. Okay.
What a weird looking contraption.
So what you do is, you put this to option 1. You slide it in. Put your little tab down. Slide this to it until it touches. Tighten this so it holds it. Then you pull lever 1. Then you go to option 2. Pull lever 2. Then you undo it.
And then you drop stuff.
Then you have a perfectly flared brake line.
Cool.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. It's going to be the first attempt to start it as a 63 F100. So, let's see what it does. Kind of nervous. There it is. I don't have the map sensor hooked up. I just realized that. So let me do that real fast. Should be better this time. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, these tires are pretty good. pressure. So I need to address that. I'm pretty sure the tank is supposed to have internal relief, and I don't know, I guess it ain't working, so I'm gonna have to come up with an idea for that. I might get like an LS6 style, like Corvette oil or fuel filter, where it has a built-in return, and just do that where it runs through that filter, and then just put a return on the tank, and it'll self-regulate down to 60 pounds right there. Done that before because it's a non-return system, so I might just do that, add a return, done. Fix the problem. Got to wire in the headlights. I need to put the glass in it, tidy up some wiring, charge the AC system, and definitely put transmission and power steering fluid in this thing because it really needs it. Because it was whining. Need to put coolant in it. It sounds freaking good. I was worried the truck was going to be super loud, and I was kind of on the fence about it because I really didn't want it to be super loud, and that sounded really good. It didn't have the normal 4.6 run into a crowd type Mustang sound to it, so I'm happy. So it is really late. I'm probably in trouble for starting it up and revving it, but you know, it's fine. So I'm gonna get back on this tomorrow. Put in this in backwards. I knew something was weird. I was like, why is that lit like that? Well, let me explain. Okay.
Pull it off?
Yep.
Doing this different way?
It goes in from the inside. Pull it.
All of them? Ooh. What do I do?
I really think you know.
Oh, okay.
What a pain that was.
It would have been half the pain if we'd have put it in the right way the first time.
That happened. That for sure happened.
It still would have been a pain though. I need to hit the gym. Hey babe,
Yeah.
thanks for putting the seat in
You're welcome.
before, you know, I pump the brakes. See if it'll move. It drives! It moves! I even got power steering! Woohoo! Don't park in front of it. You don't park in front of a running vehicle, silly goose. And now it's not running.
What do you think, Sailor? crownvic, Sailor.
All you did was take the windshield out and take the hood off.
Yeah.
You ain't done nothing to this thing.
No. Man, that's freaking exciting.
Looks good.
Now I gotta tidy up all that wiring. I ordered 500 foot, 100 foot of like 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 3/4, I think 1/8 inch wire looming.
Of course you did.
Yeah.
Mr. Perfectionist.
So now that all the wires ran, now I gotta take it all, disconnect it, loom it, put it all back.
Sailor says you need to put some patina sauce on it already.
I put some, but not a lot.
She going around the whole truck?
What do you think, girl?
She said,
You already bought it.
yep, you can't have this one.
Show off all my wiring.
Yeah. If y'all know Chase, this is not what it's gonna look like.
Well, it just ran to like where it needs to go. Now we go back and loom it.
Most of his trucks look like wireless trucks. Can't find the wires. Let's see that seat. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's bucket bolt.
Pretty cool. Runs under its own, moves under its own power.
First time in 30 years.
30 years? Nice.
See, just putting old junk back on the road.
How dare you?
Out there.
Save the planet.
Man, it looks good.
It does.
Seeing this out here makes me even happier.
It's gonna be fun to daily drive. Her seat flipped forward. Aw, Sissy wants to go for a ride. Look at that sweet shirt he's got on.
Oh, man.
What am I wearing? What are you always wearing? Because you won't admit that it's an awesome shirt.
Windshield is in the truck. Windshield's in it, back glass is in it. We just gotta tidy up some wiring. So the next video we're gonna do on this is the interior. We're gonna put carpet in it, we're gonna do the headliner, we're gonna do suede. Tidy up the wiring in there. Hopefully the gauge cluster will be here by then, get that done. Tidy up all the wiring out here. The vintage air, everything's done in the truck. Once again, thank you Vintage Air for helping me out on this truck with the air conditioning system. We didn't go super in depth in this truck on the Vintage Air kit, but for the Fairlane, we're swapping out the Southern crap that's in there, and we're putting Vintage Air in that car for Hot Rod Power Tour, and we're gonna do a frostbite radiator. So, we gotta get that done for Power Tour, including getting this done for my personal wants. But it is what it is. The truck has brakes, it runs, it drives, it moves. We gotta address the fuel pressure issue on this. I really didn't go over it a whole lot. The truck is making 85 pounds of oil pressure. That's entirely too much oil pressure. So my theory on it is, this is set up PWM. The Crown Victoria is set up PWM. Pulse width modulating, it ramps up the voltage and stuff to the fuel pump, which regulates your pressure, and it has an internal dump in the tank. Well, the pump is wired wide open right now. So what I'm thinking is, wide open, this car should be this engine should be at like 6,000 RPMs using that amount of fuel, and it's not. So at idle, it's making all that, and it wasn't designed to make that much or put out that much at that high of a voltage with the engine idling. So it can't relieve fast enough. It's making us 85 steady. It doesn't increase from there, it stays there. So we're gonna address that on the next one and do the interior. So there you go. That's where we're at with Gilligan, the F100. So until next time.